In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make thumbnails for YouTube videos using Canva. Creating captivating thumbnails is crucial for attracting viewers to your content, and Canva offers a user-friendly interface to help you create professional designs in no time. Let's dive right in and explore the steps to design an eye-catching thumbnail. First, you'll want to visit the Canva homepage. If you haven't already, you might need to sign up for a free account, which is a simple process that gives you access to an array of design tools and templates. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home screen, which is the starting point of our creative journey. Next, navigate to the search bar located at the top of the homepage. Type in highlight to pull up a selection of eye-catching design templates. These templates are a great way to kickstart your design, especially if you're new to graphic design or looking for something with a bit of flair to catch the eyes of viewers. From here, click on the templates option, which typically shows you a multitude of designs catering to various project types, including thumbnails. Believe it or not, Canva offers over 20,000 templates, so there's a vast library to choose from, making it easier to find something that aligns with your brand style or specific video theme. Now, you'll want to focus on a template that appeals to you. Once you've scanned through some designs and found one that resonates with your vision, click on it to see more details and customization options. This will take you to a new screen, providing a larger preview of the template along with a button that says customize this template. At this stage, click on the button to begin the customization process. Canva makes it incredibly easy for you to personalize elements of the design, such as colors, fonts, and imagery, to better suit the message you want your thumbnail to convey. Don't hesitate to explore the various design tools available on this interface. Once you're in the editing interface, direct your attention to the Uploads feature on the left-hand panel. This is a crucial step if you want to add your own images or logos to the template. By uploading personal touch elements, you ensure your final thumbnail is unique and aligns with your content's branding. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you should now be well on your way to creating stunning YouTube thumbnails that not only entice viewers but also effectively communicate the essence of your video content. As with most skills, practice makes perfect, and using Canva regularly will transform you into a thumbnail making expert in no time. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.